Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Anno 117 Pax Romana game. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to disable enable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Anno 117 Pax Romana game. This is just an example I am showing with another game, and then select properties. Now go to the controller tab and here select disable Steam input first, and then just restart your game and then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the game properties, go to the controller tab, and this time select enable Steam input, and then just restart your game or restart your PC and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2 is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the issue. Now check if the controller is working in Anno 117 Pax Romana game or not. Fix 3. Disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. Other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plugged peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, mouse, keyboard, or additional controller, display, phone, camera might conflict with the game. So remove such peripheral devices and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Next solution is to verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Anno 117 Pax Romana game and then select properties. Then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 5 is to restart Steam or restart PC. So close Steam from task manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch Anno 117 Pax Romana game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then restart your PC, run Steam as an admin and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative option. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. And the last solution is to install DS4 Windows tool. In Google, search for DS4 Windows and click on the first result as shown in the image. So click on this first result, or you can directly go to ds4-windows.com, download and install DS4 Windows tool on your PC, and then launch the Anno 117 Pax Romana game and check if your controller or gamepad is working or not. By this way, you can easily fix controller or gamepad not working in Anno 117 Pax Romana game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.